Alright, welcome back. So in this video, we are going to cover exercise on JavaScript in which you will get a good practice of variables and prompts and console.log basically, right? And in variables, we will basically be using string and integer. So this is basically what you have to make, right? So you obviously don't have to make this HTML. This is just to instruct you what you have to do, and this is what you have to do. You have to take 5 inputs one by one with a prompt, and then you have to make a sentence, a string in this format, right? And then you have to print that to the console. Let's see what I'm talking about. So as soon as I refresh my page, I get a prompt saying enter current year. So I enter 2020. It asks me to enter my age. So now I can enter, I'm 100 years old, right? I'll enter my name, first and last separately, right? And now it wants my favorite car. Let's say it's Rolls-Royce, right? So now it doesn't look like anything's happened, but if we do inspect and if we go to the console, I see I get a sentence with this first name, last name, born in. It tries to calculate my birth year. Of course, this can be 1920 or 1919, basically depending on your birthday. But we'll just assume our birthday has already arrived this year, and then according to that, my birth year would be 1920, and then it says loves and your favorite car name. Now this is what you have to make. So a few things first that I want to tell you. First is that whenever you get an input from a prompt, let's say I do a prompt enter age and I enter 18, it gives me a string back. And to calculate this year, you might have thought that you need integer. I mean, that thought is completely correct, but how do you get integer with the prompt when it always returns a string? What you can use is the parseInt function, right? You can do parseInt, and inside this you can pass any string integer, and it returns the integer function of the string. So how you can do it with the prompt is you do parseInt prompt enter age, you close the brackets, it asks me my age, I enter 18, and it gives me 18 as an integer back. So now I can use this as an integer and perform my basic addition, subtraction, and all the other things on this particular integer, right? So this is one thing that you needed to know, which is new, which will be used in this. And a couple of things that I wanted to revise is the string concatenation. So yeah, the first thing that I wanted to revise was the prompt. We have seen how the prompt works. And the second thing that I wanted to revise is the concatenation, which is joining. So you can do something like, if you want to join two strings, you can simply do hello. If you wanted to get a hello, and then you add a plus, and then you add your second string, and that will give you your new string in which both the strings are now joined, right? So this is string concatenation. And one thing that you need to focus on, which you might make an error in, is that you have to get an exact this formatted string. This space right here, you might not get this. You might not get this space, so you have to account for them separately in the concatenation. And for the concatenation, you could have multiple strings. I could have something like A plus space plus B plus space plus C, and this will give me A space B space C, because there is no limit to the amount of strings you can concatenate in a single expression, right? And the last thing that I want to show you, if I do ABC plus 18 as an integer, it gives me ABC 18 because it converts the 18, which is an integer, into string by itself, and then it performs the string concatenation, right? So these are few things that I wanted to show you to get you started with this exercise. And now just go on, make this, try, and We'll have the solution in the next video. So I'll see you then.